Hey girls, hey guys, I'm Sakura. This time I'm going to introduce you this one. It says カリっと枝豆 in Japanese. I think edamame is called edamame in English. It's a green vegetable pea. I heard edamame is getting popular in lots of countries. So maybe you can find it in Japanese restaurants. It's really good, so you should try it. And this one is, of course, not just edamame. It's edamame snack. I bought it at supermarket. It was 307 yen. Okay, let's open it. There are 6 small packs inside, and it says each small pack is only 99 kilocalories here. So as a snack, it's quite low calorie, very healthy. Usually snack is deep fried, but this one is not. It's baked. That's why less oil than other snacks, then it's low calorie. So let's open one of them. The shape is like, green pea, like this. Okay, let's have a bite. It says it goes well with beer. I think I agree with that. And it's, the edamame taste is stronger than I expected. Actually, I like it. If you expect usual snack taste, you will feel weird. But still, it's yummy. I think you like it too. That's it for this video. See you next time.